Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 9:30 p.m. At 8:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Englewood to near Homer Glen, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Lansing, Blue Island, Dalton, Park Forest, Alsip, Madison, Frankfort, Lamont, Midlothian, Justice, Chatham, Worth, Steger, and Flossmoor. Including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 339 and 358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 150 and 155. Interstate 90 between mile markers 104 and 107. Interstate 94 between mile markers 61 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 61 and 74. This includes Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Moraine Valley Community College, Prairie State College, and South Suburban College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.